Good morning, good evening, and good night. Wherever you are in the world watching, welcome to Sonia's Creative Kitchen. For today, guys, I am going to prepare some oxtail, some gungo rice and peas, some pasta salad, and some raw veg. So follow me panda one here. So here we have our oxtail already seasoned up for 2 days now. So you know, say this well soaked. Today, me I go season up some oxtail. Guys, I like to season my oxtail a day or two before I cook it. So, follow me on the journey. So right here, I already clean off all the excess fat from my oxtail. So now, I am going to wash it with some lime and vinegar. So now guys, I am going to season my oxtail. So now I'm going to use some oxtail seasoning. Maggi all-purpose seasoning. Some meat seasoning. Special jerk seasoning. And guys, my favorite spice, pimento or pimenta. So guys, I'm gonna add some onion. I have some chopped up ginger, scotch bonnet pepper, and garlic. Scallion and thyme. I'm going to give it a nice rub. Oh, this smells good already. Smells so good. Bursting with flavor. So guys, I'm going to add some green seasoning. All of it. Some black pepper. Not too much. And then I'm going to add some browning. Not going to add too much browning at once. So guys, when you season up your meat a day or two, or even for a few hours, always tastes better. Even though if you season it up right away with the right seasoning, it tastes good as well. But for me, sometimes I like to do it like this most time, not other time. Look at this guys, smell good. I don't want to add too much browning because when I'm browning it, I need it to brown by itself. So I don't want it too dark. So guys, now my oxtail is finished seasoning. So I'm going to put it in the fridge. And over here I have my coconut that I'm going to blend. And this is for my pasta. And I have all of my ground seasoning, my scallion, thyme, garlic, and ginger. So guys, over here I have my gungo, and I have my garlic and my pimento, my favorite spice. So I'm going to turn on the stove right now and make it go and cook. And I'm going to get straight into my oxtail. So now I'm going to put in my vegetable oil. So guys, now I'm going to add some ginger and garlic into the oil. And this is for flavor, guys. I am big on flavors. So guys, I'm going to remove my ginger and garlic and add my oxtail to the pot. Looks good, smell delicious. So guys, I am going to cover this, allow it to sweat its own water, and then I'm going to get straight into blend my coconut. Guys, now my first step, coconut is blend. Look at this goodness, rich, very rich. So guys, before I start my vegetables, check in on my oxtail. Smell wonderful, looks delicious. So now I'm going to leave it to finish cook and start it on my vegetable. So guys, now that my lettuce is all chopped up, I get started on my cucumber. Now my cucumber is done. I have a salad. I'm gonna cut and slice. Guys, my vegetable is done. I'm going to set it aside now and get started on my gungo rice and gungo and peas. So guys, I'm going to add my coconut milk to my gungo. Look how rich this is. Very rich. Scotch bonnet pepper. Some thyme and scallion. So guys, I'm going to allow my coconut milk to cook, and then after it cook, I'll add my rice. So check in on my oxtail. Cooking nicely. Looks good. So guys, I am going to wash my rice. guys, I'm going to add my rice into my pot. Look at all this custard, guys. So now that my rice is in the pot, I'm going to allow it to cook and steam. Check in, guys. Look at my oxtail. Looking good. So now I'm going to add my seasoning, some sweet pepper, different colors, tomato, onion, scallion, and thyme. This tastes good. I'm gonna add some ketchup. Guys, this don't need any more powder seasoning because it has been marinating for 2 days. Only thing you're ready to do now, eat. So now I'm going to go ahead and add some water. Just need a little bit more water. Turn it up. And you know me, guys, I have to put copper grain of my favorite spice. Beautiful. So guys, I am going to allow this to finish cook. Next time you see me, I will be cooking my pasta for my pasta salad. So guys, I add my broad bean. I almost forget, and there is no oxtail without it. So look how beautiful this look. Smell fabulous. This one is epic. So guys, I'm just gonna get straight into my pasta salad. So guys, you can see my water is bubbling, so I'm gonna add my pasta. I'm gonna add some salt. Guys, I'm not big on salt because of my high blood pressure, so depends on what I'm making. I'll put a little salt. So now I'm going to cover and allow it to cook. And over here, I'm going to use different bell peppers and onion to add to my pasta. So don't move. Guys, check in. My pasta is finished cooked. I don't like it too soft. So now I'm going to turn off my stove, drain the water, so you'll see me adding the ingredients to my pasta salad. So guys, I am going to add some cut up pickle and my bell peppers and onion Mix it in. And guys, you don't have to do pasta salad hot. You can do it cold. And this adds little sugar. I'm gonna add some vinegar as well, just to give it a tangy taste. And guys, pinch of black pepper. I have all my yogurt here. Not yogurt, mayonnaise. What's the situation? Get a paper towel. I have some peach yogurt. Give it a nice kick. Look at this, guys. So guys, now that my pasta salad is finished, the next time you see me, I'll be having my dinner. Check in, guys. Dinner is served. Take a look at this oxtail and gungo and rice and my pasta salad and some raw veg. Now I am going to dig in and give you my honest opinion as always. So watch me eat, guys. Oh, this coconut milk smells so good.
And I gotta tell you, it was perfect. Perfect. Everything, down to the last minute details.
Oh boy. This gungo rice and peas, bad. No. I'm gonna try my oxtail. See guys, falling off the bone. Oxtail. Flavor did it. You know we are Jamaican. I take up my hand. I go bite into this. Oh boy. Can't go wrong with a good tasting oxtail. Guys, now I'm gonna try my pasta salad. Everything tastes good. Delicious, delicious. I make my pasta salad different ways, but this is one of the way I like it too. Guys, the food is delicious. It's a shot. Big up to my auntie Carmen, my second auntie mama, and to Denise Simit. Big up on yourself. So guys, we have made it to the end of my video. Thank you so very much for watching. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And remember say, we say Jamaica. See you on the next video. Bye.